go ahead and go do a test and see how the CS Racing exhaust sounds on my bike. Now let's see how it goes. So you guys know how much I love this exhaust. That's why I love it so much. I think this thing has a beautiful sound. It does exactly what I want it to do. I can't sit here and tell you what the specs are coming on gains for horsepower because I haven't had it dynoed. But if you go to their website, csracingusa.com, you can get more information on your bike about how it fits, if it is available to fit, and also what they have done in their testing on their dyno on any gains. For me though, this has been a great addition to Noriko. I think it's beautifully manufactured. I think it does a great accent to it as well. And it gives the bike a little bit of a, kind of like an OEM feel to it. I can't sit here and tell you that you're going to get the exact sound as we record all this through the video that you watch. But I can tell you this. I do get the snap, crackle, pop, which I like. I do get the particular sound that I like. And when I say that, I mean that particular level of sound. You know, some bikes, they're like, the word that comes to mind is raspy. I don't know if that's a better understanding definition of what I mean, but to try to explain it, you ever heard that Honda Civic going down the street with an aftermarket exhaust and it just sounds like, I mean, that's the best I can do. I've heard some bikes sound like that with certain exhausts. For me though, I have a sound that actually is great for me. It's not that middle. I believe it's up at that third level where it's that deep throaty sound for me. And I like it. It's exactly where I want it to be. We did have to get a little rain. I ride in just about anything, but I don't like recording in the rain. I mean, that kind of blows chunks. It's not good at all. Let's see. Skirt, 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 skirt. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this as best and simple as possible because it's not like we got all day. But one of the things I did want to show is the exhaust. And I lost a letter. That just hurts my feelings. Anyways, I do not have the, what we call a DV killer, which goes here and screws into here. I don't have it because I can't locate it in the shed, so I have to get it. So only sound bites we're doing today is what it sounds like without it. So let's just get started.
going to do is try to do a sound test to give you an idea of what Noriko's new exhaust from CS Racing sounds like. And as I stated, I did not bring the DB killer because I do not have that. Couldn't find it. But what we're going to do still is just the sound for how it is without the DB killer in it. You guys can decide if this is something that you're looking for. So it's obvious that Noriko is already warmed up, so we can't do a cold start because I rode her here. So what I'll do at this point is start her up, let you get an idea of what she sounds like. So this time we'll just do a start on her, go ahead and get her going, let you hear her at idle, and then we'll move from there to get a little bit of a sound on. If it's deep enough for you guys, if it's raspy, whatever you think it is, you go ahead and tell us what you believe it sounds like to you. I don't think that this is going to be the best in recording audio because you're talking about video, but we wanted to do it, want to give you an idea what it sounds like, and let's do that. So let's start her up. I'm going to rev it 3 times.
So I hope I was able to give you guys what you were asking for. I just want to show you and allow you to hear what she sounds like. I really enjoyed this exhaust. I think it's a great exhaust system on this bike. And like I stated, they have it available not only for the Suzuki GSX-R 6, but 750 and also the 1000. Now, up until what model? As far as I remember, 2021 available as well for you guys. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what Noriko sounds like with the full CS Racing exhaust system on her. But it is available for not only the Suzuki, but Kawasaki, Ducati, and Yamaha. Go on their website, csracingusa.com. Go ahead and check for the year, model of your particular motorcycle, see what you got. And also remember, I told you, naked bikes as well too. Ducati, boy, you guys will like that one. So we're going to head on out. I appreciate my assistant, my son. He helped me out with this. We are not professional videographers, cinematographers. We're professional watchers, but I enjoy it. So let's go ahead and head to the house, get a little bit in. You guys know what we're going to do now. I cannot get enough of how she sounds. So as usual, I more than appreciate you guys stopping by, because can't wait to see you on the next one. Hope to see you on the next one. Love to see you on the next one. This is your boy Dragon Chi. Have fun, ride safe. Peace. Woo, God, oh my God.